Hello, this is Sophie Lawson. No. Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com. Do you like that? He's like a magic trick. He's got a tail. We like tails, don't we? He looks quite sexy, I think. Little Larry the Lion. He's with us again because we are looking at the 2015 ImagineFX magazines. And so far they've all been sexy. Just like little Larry. They've all been, that was last week we looked at. That was the manga special. We've had a pin-up special, comic art special, sci-fi special, book illustration special, film art, animation, and this beautiful painting one here, which is still my favourite cover from February 2015. But this one is going to be, well, this is issue number 126, October 2015, and it's going to be a dark one. So I got a feeling this might be the first cover this year which doesn't have a female on it. What do you reckon? Nope. It's another female. I can already tell this is still my favourite cover, but another beautiful one. Whoever put the covers together this year, 2015, really did a fantastic job. For me, they've got the sort of covers that I love. I like the little hint of gold in this one. So this one, it says the beauty of black and white, which that sounds quite intriguing to me. Opposites. We like opposites, like paradoxes. Boing! Inside we go, and look, we haven't got Claire. Claire's away having a little baby. So we've got this guy called Berren. He looks like a happy chappy, but it's never the same when we don't have Claire. And I've got to say, I've fallen in love with Ian now, the new editor for 2022. I like little Ian. So I guess what it is when you get a bit of change, it takes a bit of time, doesn't it, to get used to it. And there's always a little bit of resistance at the first. But we got the artist studio. Nothing's really popping off this page at me, to be honest. No, I'm not looking at anything thinking I can't wait to see that. So, but this is the videos for the not DVD. They do a fantastic advert, this Rebel Studio. It's cool. Makes me want to buy it, which I guess means they've done it. They've done what they should have done. This is the FX Pose 8-bit. Environments. That's nice. That's cool as well, isn't it? Look, skateboard. Got a little skateboard. He's nice. Oh, cool. I like that. I like that structure. A little character on a little boat. I wonder what they're doing. Oh yeah, that's nice. Look, sword right in her neck. That's nice as well. Freelance versus studio. I would always say freelance. Freelance, look, it tells you what it is. It's about being free. Freedom. That's what we want. We like freedom. Figuring the next step. Little figures. Action. Yay! And we got a cat. Hello. Little Larry's friend. We got art books. We love art books. Keep all my books in order. No, I don't. I keep all my books in other rooms. Oh, that's weird. Why would you keep all your art books in a different room? So look, they got a traditional and they got a digital. That's quite cool, isn't it? And they got some swords here, look. I like the way they've separated it. Sofa spaceships. Letters. I wonder if Claire will come back before the end of the year. I don't think she will she? She'll probably be away until, I reckon, 2 or 3 issues into 2016. That's a shame. But the thing is, she's gone for good now. So we miss Claire. We fade to grey. Would you dare to paint without colour? We talked to 10 artists working in black and white and monochrome. This is another... Yeah, they're very good at doing these articles. Like the presentation is beautiful. Do I know any of these? No, Charlie Bowater. I know Charlie Bowater. But the other ones, the names don't... It's cool, isn't it? Oh, no, that's nice. Anna Dittman. Look at that one now, look. How nice is that? Anna Dittman. Myth, reality, ethereal motives. There's their website. See that, if that was on the cover, it would maybe have been my favourite cover, I think. These are cool. Charlie Bowater. Nice, isn't it? A little bit of colour there, look. Cool. Like that. Artist portfolio of Forest Rogers. They're doing little sculptures. That's an interesting one. It's like a what's it called? It's, yeah, an octo person. Look at that, it's an octopus person. Weird. That's cool, that colour. Darren Yeow. There's these sketches. I like these. Here we go into the workshops. Charlie Bowater. Legs. Sexy, innit? Little hinted legs. Look at those eyes. Look at those eyes. Almost like it's going to possess you, I think. Like a witch. I don't remember them being that intense over here. Critter. I noticed that each issue this year, I think it's each issue, they've been doing Critter, sort of learning Critter. Paint a portrait of an anti-hero. Oh, he looks a bit sad. I wonder if he's right. New methods to render your art. Look at that. About to be possessed by this creature. Some sort of monster thing. Produce concept art efficiently. Pop. I like that. Nice and simple. That's cool. Use perspective to create drama. Off with his head. He won't kill him, because what'll happen is just as he's about to do that, something will happen. Because he's got the gods helping him. That's more fun. That one's got way more like energy in it than that one. I wonder why they didn't do that one. I feel like they went with one that's a bit more boring. It's weird, isn't it? How Iconia Tab 10. I almost bought that about 2 years ago. I almost bought that. It's a very sexy looking device. It's got 1 gig of memory. Interesting. Mischief. I love that name. Pinocchio. Terminator, look. Art book about Terminator. Fantasy. Improve your charcoal art. Oh yeah. Look at that. Cool. I like this one as well. I like these two. I love that one. Figurative illustration workshop. Oh yeah. Look at this. Look, you're actually sketching a character. Well, yeah. You're actually going to life drawing with a character, not just a model. I'd love that. Oh, I wish they did that round here. Maybe I should do it. Look, we've got a stormtrooper. That's mad, that is. We need stuff like that around here. Improve your charcoal art. It's cool, isn't it? Serpents. This is Bryn doing her little animals. And then we finish with Mark Gabbana. The yin and yang. That is where we are now. We are facing the split or the unity. That was issue 126 of the ImagineFX magazine for October 2015. What did you think of that? I thought it's cool. I like the black covers. They feel sort of, I don't know, a bit elegant, I suppose. But next week, we're getting near to the last ones now. This is November 2015. It's another yellow one. So I wonder what that's going to be like. Hope you come back to have a look for that. And I do hope you enjoyed that. And we shall see you later for another one.